Hello and welcome everyone to another video here on this channel. My name is Daniel and this is an absolute emergency update video here for the Ethereum and the Bitcoin price and to my trades, which I finally closed in $47,000 today. And I will tell you in this video why I closed them, and I will also tell you my next trading opportunity, which I'm looking out for in the immediate short term. So stick here with me until the very end and have fun with this video. And as always, we're starting here with the Ethereum price, and we're starting today with the 4-hour time frame. And as you can see here in the yellow wave count, in my opinion, we can already have finished this 5-wave move towards the upside. We have done all minimum requirements which were needed for this 5-wave to be an impulse or to be completed. What I primarily expected, and this is why I changed the smaller wave count or the smaller degree wave count, is that we are getting a nice 5-wave move here as a wave 5, like as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5, which would make it possible that we would reach higher highs like $2,000 or something. Like if we would have seen such a nice 5-wave move, this would have extended this wave 5 a little bit to the upside. But right now, for me, all the alarm bells are ringing because, as you can see, when I measure the wave 1 with the trend-based fib extension and pull it to the bottom of the wave 4, we have perfectly reached here the price target for this wave 5, the 100% fib extension here, the $1,716. We have even overshot it a little, and in my opinion, this is a clear warning signal here on the bigger time frames. So that's why I'm currently looking out for this 3-wave correction towards the downside, which then leads, in my opinion, to a great buying opportunity. Because from there, I always told you, if this is a bottom, and I think it is, it's $1,070. I told you already from here, from the $2,000, or on my German channel, I told my viewers at the $2,000 bottom that we should move down here in this yellow target area as a wave 2 in a corrective fashion, which we did here. We bottomed out at $1,070, and from there I told everyone we should now do a 5-wave move here to the upside, which we also did. We reached all minimum requirements. So now I expect a wave 2 correction here, and the optimum price target for this would be between the 61.8 and the 50% fib retracement. So it's the 1,320 and the $1,400 level, which is here the numbers of my box here on the chart. And I'm currently looking out for a short opportunity for this wave A towards the downside, but we have no confirmation that this wave A has started yet. We have also no confirmation that this wave 5 has topped out yet. The only confirmation is that we kind of got rejected very hard, but we only came down in a 3-wave move yet. If this is a wave 4, we can also see a triangle from now and one last leg towards the upside, or we can also count this as a 3-wave move complete, now one last leg towards the upside and then down. But since we didn't have nice 1-2 setups here, we had smaller ones, which can then lead to this small move here as a whole wave 5. But if we look at it on the 4-hour time frame, it's only one shot towards the upside. Of course, we can see one higher high, but then it's nothing to build on, to be honest. From an Elliott wave perspective. However, this is no financial advice. If you want to go long right now, go long right now. I don't think that this will lead to a bigger extension of the wave 5. I can already count it as complete, or with one more high to be completed. What am I doing right now? I yesterday was in my hedge positions, which were $50,000 in a profit, and I tried 2 times to re-enter with a very, very small position size here for this to possibly be a wave 4 triangle. I got stopped out twice, so I lost $3,000. I saved $47,000 in profits, which I completely cashed out, and I of course shared everything in real time with my trading partners on Telegram. So right now I'm looking out for the possibility that this can already be rather a wave 4 or already the wave 1. How would I decide if this is a wave 4 or a wave 1? If we shoot up from here, then this is, in my opinion, the last high, and I will try to short it right here. The next highs which are coming, I will try to short. I'm currently in no position. But if we see this as a 1, 2, 3, so this could be a 4 right now. And if we see the next leg towards the downside, this is for me the first confirmation that this is a wave 1 of A, so there should afterwards be 2 of A, which should be a 3-wave move. I show you this also with an Elliott wave count here on the chart. If this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we see the 5th wave down, then this is the moment where I will pull out my FIB retracement levels here from the bottom to the top, and I will place between the 50% and the 61.8 here my box for the wave 2 to watch out for the possibility to come up here in a wave 2 set in a 1-2, and I will open then nice short positions in this wave 2 target area. From the position size, I was in my long down there. I entered long positions. As you can remember, my lowest long buy order was at 14.64, so I bought $1 higher than the bottom here, and my average price was at 1500 at the end. I even scaled it up in this target area, and then I opened head shorts to save the profits up here. So in this last pump I didn't make profits practically because I was in my hedge position. I closed it right now because it makes no sense to really speculate on a higher high right now, in my opinion. I'm just happy with the profits I made. If we see another higher high, I will enter here in my short position. If we see a lower low right there, I will enter in this wave 2 target area for a short position. However, I think we're losing strength from here. This 5-wave move is complete, and I'm expecting currently a larger wave 2 retracement in this target area for a huge long position. So if this is playing out right now, I will enter in a long or $2 million long position down there. So I'm even more sure or secured in that entry point than I was down there, and I even entered massively down here, which played out perfectly. So this is, however, no financial advice, just my personal opinion, but that's my game plan. And now let's look over here to the Bitcoin chart. And as you can see, we see the same picture than for Ethereum. This 5-wave move, which I mentioned here on this channel frequently since weeks. Since we were down here, I told you if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave move, then in my opinion, the $15,500 bottom is very, with a high likelihood, a significant low in place. If we now see a 3-wave move down, this is for me the best confirmation we can get that the $15,500 is a bear market low, and the long positions can be entered right there between 20,500 and 19,500. You see, I of course replaced the target area a little bit because in my last video I thought that this wave 5 is going to extend a little bit further, maybe to the $30,000 and come down from there in a 3-wave move. So this would just mean that this 3-wave move is placed up here, so this target area would move up. But right now, if we are seeing a 5-wave move to be completed from here, in the smaller time frames, which can possibly easily happen from now, if we count that as 1, 2, 3, 4, and now see a 5th wave, this is already an impulse, so it means this wave 5 has stopped, and we would count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this then completes here the wave A, and we come down in a B afterwards, a C down at least, and then this all is a 1-2 setup here on the 4-hourly time frame. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, 3 waves down, so there should be 5 waves up next, and this is actually the move to trade, the bigger wave 3, which we would then have a price target of $30,000. So as you can see, the 30,000 will be reached, in my opinion, sooner or later. But since we can count this as a 5-wave move complete already, I expect here this 3-wave move downwards first before the next bigger move towards the upside will bring us up there. So that's my personal interpretation here for the Bitcoin chart and the solution of my technical analysis. And now we are gonna come over to the Q&T chart. And I mentioned here, since my first analysis here at the beginning of January on my German channel, that I think here at $40 is a significant low in place. And this is a first wave 1 towards the upside. So from there, I would expect a 3-wave move down. And in my opinion, this was not a 3-wave move. This was an impulse. And my first reaction was to place you here, this target area towards the upside for this to be a wave B, and this target area here towards the downside for this to be a wave C. Right now, you can see this played out quite nicely. So if we are seeing here a 5-wave move towards the downside, be prepared that this is a wave C, and we are entering my target area. There I will buy in heavily, open nice long positions, buy some QNT from a long-term holding position. This is a very nice risk-reward ratio in my opinion, because if we come down there, I think we're gonna hold the $80 level, but the reward would be up at the $380 level. So this would be a very, very nice trading setup. If we are seeing a higher high here, it doesn't necessarily mean that we are going up, because this can easily then be an WXYX set correction, which has one higher high, and then we come down here in this final wave C correction, which I'm telling you since the first day, since the first analysis video here on this channel. So be prepared for that. Rather it's with a higher high or it's straight downwards here on a daily time frame. In my opinion, we cannot even count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could in a leading diagonal, but it would be not a nice wave pattern because of this overlap here. It could have developed here to 1, 2, 3, then a 4 and a 5. But since we had this overlap here, it's not a nice wave pattern anymore. I think this should be a wave B. And we should come down here once more in a wave C. So that's still my expectation. I didn't change it once here on this channel. You can check out every video and also in the German channel, of course. And before we start straight into the charts, I want to announce the current giveaway from $1,000, which is made by BITGET. And with the link down below in the video description, you can take part. The winners will be selected by the highest trading volume and also by the highest P&L. With the links here down below in the video description, you can not only sign up with BITGET and get your normal $8,000 bonus. No, actually right now they give you $2,000 on top of that, which you can take as well for your trading bonus. And of course, you can take your trading bonus and compete with that in the trading competition. So I wish you all the best and we start straight into the charts. And the altcoin which I want to again observe here with you today is again ADA Cardano, because there was some very interesting development since yesterday's video, which I want to prepare you here with as well, because the wave count for Cardano was sitting here very nicely, but we need to hold resistance from now. I told you since my first analysis video which I ever made for Cardano that this can here be an ending diagonal in a wave 5, would be my personal expectation. And since I would expect here in wave A, B and C, and we perfectly developed a 5-wave move here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is in my opinion a wave A. And I told you I think it was the video 3 days ago when we were up there, be prepared guys, be prepared. This can be an overshooting wave B. It would still be a wave B even if we reach higher highs. This comes up in a corrective fashion, and in my wave count this would also fit perfectly that this is only a wave B. If we are overshooting right now, don't be too scared. In my opinion, it's a wave B. And yeah, this is, in my opinion, what happened. Of course, there are more bullish interpretations as well. If we count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move, and this is a wave 2 correction. But same situation as for Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is no confirmed top yet. Even if we reach one higher high here, then just in my opinion, the wave B high would shift. If we want to wait here for a confirmation, practically for a breakdown, we should see a 5-wave move developing to the downside, and we haven't seen it yet. It's a 3-wave move, which would clearly suggest a higher high, to be honest. But in the moment we're seeing a lower low here, it's clearly a 3-wave structure, a 5-wave structure. What I could imagine is that this move towards the upside has not finished yet. We're moving up here and then see the lower low from there. So this could also happen very easily. It's hard to say yet. We didn't get 5-wave moves down, but in the moment we're seeing the 5-wave moves down and the 3 waves up. This would be also a short opportunity here for the last leg towards the downside for the wave C, which I'm currently still expecting after this overshooting wave B in the target area between 32 cents and 30 cents. Because that's the point where very nice long entries can be entered. It's measured by this as a wave 1 and this to be a wave 2. And from there, the wave 3 towards the upside with a price target of approximately 60 cents can start, which would be 2x from the entry position. And in my opinion, this could have, or this has a very high likelihood to play out. What would be a different option when I see it, when I see this wait? There would be one more interpretation, to be honest. There would be one more interpretation. We can also count this. No. Technically, we can say that this is the top of the wave 5. This was the bottom of the wave 4 as well, and this the top of the wave 3. But would it work out? We would need to have a 1, 2. Then this would be the 3. The wave 3 of the wave 3 shooted up here. Then we move down in a wave 4 of 3. Yeah, this would work out actually. This would work out if we count this as a 1, 2, 1, 2. Then a 3, 4, 5. Yeah? This wave 5 here is the wave 5 of the wave 3. So this practically, this last move, this is the 1, 2. And then we have the wave 3, which is counted in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. Then we saw a bigger wave. No. This is a 1, 2. Then we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, exactly. This is the wave 3 of 3. This was a 4 of 3. And now we saw the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move in an ending diagonal. But this only finished the wave 3. But let me think about it. Is it possible that this was a wave 4 down? I don't think so, because it was a 5-wave move. Huh? It would need to be a more complex correction. It would need to be a WXY. We could count it like that, not an ABC anymore. And this is the 5th wave. So now we are getting an ABC down. It's both possible, yeah. But in both wave counts, as you can see, we are coming down from here. Yeah? I cannot guarantee which one at the end will play out, but that we are coming down from here in both scenarios is quite likely in my opinion. Yeah? So watch out for that. And yeah, we cannot. So practically what that means in both scenarios, we're coming in this target area from here in both scenarios. The only difference is rather we see an impulse down in a wave C and that's it, or we see a wave A down from here, a wave B up from here, and a wave C down from here, because this all is the wave 2. We cannot know that yet. Both is possible. I will keep you updated about that. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed it, smash up the like button. Follow this channel here, leave your subscription down below and activate the small little bell so you will always get notified when I upload a new video here for you on this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for sticking here with me until the very end. And if you want to hit up the algorithm a little bit for me, then you leave your comments down below the video. What is your thought about the 80-day chart? Or maybe also tell me your wishes about what altcoins should I analyze next here for you on this channel. Thank you very much, guys, and I hope we will see each other in the next video here on this channel. Ciao, ciao.